Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Land Rover Discovery. So first of all, from any screen, we make sure that Bluetooth is switched on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over here, you can either click phone here, or if you're on home menu, you see please pair phone, click please pair phone, search new. The easiest way to do it is vehicle to device, because then it generates a random PIN number as opposed to you putting one in your phone and then having to enter it in the system. Or in the old days, it used to be 2121 on the Land Rovers. That was a standard one, and you just had to enter it into your phone. May take a little bit of time because I've had this phone paired and I've just deleted it. Sometimes that confuses the system, but it's come up. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. You see there, that's a car just going past. They've got a very good system, Peugeot. So Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. To pair and connect phone, enter 5216 on handset. Now we'll just wait for these. That's it. 5216 pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Connecting to Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, and that's it there. Not connected, and now it's connected. Connected on the system. That's it.